Hi, so in this video, I'm going to introduce you a process of how to charge the material. Two processes, charging by friction, charging by contact. Charging by friction is something you see a lot often. Let's say when in a cold winter where air is more insulated, not too moisture, dry air. Then when you walk on the rug, your socks and your rug or carpet, they rub against each other. And this just friction motion is enough to rip off electrons from one material to the other. The thing is that you're rubbing against two different materials, and then depends on the material, likes to lose electrons or wants to contain the electrons, and then one of them becomes positive, one of them becomes negative. And this just easily you rub those physical motion is enough to remove or add electrons into the different material. So that's charging by friction. And you already saw this video, but it's the same one. See, you just rub the straw. You just rub the straw. It could be microfiber. Some materials works better with silk. That just depends on the two materials against each other. And so then after that, what you see is this, that, right? Discharged straw now attracts the conductive can. Conductive can. All right, let's go into a note and summarize what we just said. So how to charge? One way, charging by friction. That means just rubbing two different materials. This is typically between the two insulator materials. Two dielectric materials is you can rub against the conductive material, but conductive material, it's easy for electrons to escape. So you don't, it's not so efficient to rub against the conductive material. You can charge better by two insulative material. Then another way to charge is that charging actually by contact. So I could have an object that's, let's say this is a straw or plastic or balloon that's positively charged rod. And then here, I have an electrically neutral metallic ball, let's say. Then if I make a contact with the ball, I actually have to be in contact with the ball. And this positively charged, charges will move into the rod from the contact. Then After you remove the rod, you're going to have a nicely distributed charges on the surface. So now it's going to be positively charged. And this is easier to happen with the conductive material. You could have an insulator that has the charge transferred, but in the case of an insulator, because charge cannot move freely inside, so when the charges are transferred into the insulator material like this, the plastic, then the charge tends to be localized. It just stays where it's at. It's not going to be nicely redistributed into the shape. It just remains at initial location. So that's it. And then in the next video, I'm going to discuss induction.